There we go, madam. A nice glass of milk.
Milkshake!
This is...
Oh, God!
I'm sorry, I must apologise. I'm suffering from irritable milk syndrome, but I'd like you to get a grip now, kid, because this is what milkshake flood really looks like. And this is what they seem like to me.
This is getting really annoying.
No! God, please, no!
Isn't it obvious?
Oh, for heaven's sake.